Hi, welcome to the School of Destiny, a special school for talented young people. The School of Destiny is different to any other school you've seen. It's a school for discipleship. It's a school for changing the world.
And it's fun. At the School of Destiny, you'll need a team of at least 5 to play and learn.
Each of you will need to choose a child from your community to walk alongside and disciple. We call these kids little brothers and little sisters.
And we call ourselves alongsiders because we walk alongside someone who needs a friend. You'll be able to share the lessons from the app with your little brother or sister. You can learn through the videos in our media room.
But you'll have to unlock them first by earning points, posting in the news feed, and visiting your little brother or sister.
Every time you do something in the app, you'll be earning more points.
Earning points unlock new parts of the app and also gives you a chance to win prizes. As you get more points, you'll rise through the levels, getting more skills and mastery as you grow. You'll start as a newbie on level 1. Then over time, you will be able to unlock new levels, new prizes, and new abilities.
We also have some awesome comics. They're called Webtoons.
Be sure to visit your little brother or sister every week so that you can unlock the comics to read together.
There's a brand new comic to unlock every month. Oh, when you visit your little brother or sister, don't forget to check in by pressing the lion head so you can get the points.
And check out the news feed. It's found in the meeting room. Share selfies of you and your little brother or sister in the news feed with the rest of the team. You can even post prayer requests and insights from your learning.
Soon, as your points grow, you'll unlock the ability to share and communicate with other alongsiders in your city, your country, and even around the world.
You'll make new friends, you'll learn and grow in your faith.
And you'll impact the life of your little brother or sister.
Okay, are you ready to get started? As soon as you have registered your little brother or sister, you'll unlock the first comic.
Go ahead and get started, and we'll see you along the way.